1, 2, 3, testing. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me? Hello? Hello? Testing. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me? Hello? Hello? Let me know if you guys can hear me and see me. Check, check. Hello, Arty. What's up? I got my whole shebang set up here. I got this screen. I got this screen. I got chat. I got OBS. I got all the streams going. We're live on Facebook. We're live on YouTube. We are live on Twitch. So if you guys aren't following us on Twitch, go follow us on Twitch because I think I have 3 followers on Twitch. You know, because I'm the world's most popular gamer. I'm kidding. What is up, everybody? Oh my God, who is this handsome fella? Eugene, don't make me blush, bro. Dude, I've gained so much weight and the holidays aren't even here yet. Like, I'm like watching, like I have double chin. Dude, after Christmas, I'm not eating for 12 days. It'll be the 12 days of fasting after Christmas. The 12 days of Christmas fasting. Water only. There's an echo? Okay. So we have an issue. Somebody says there's an echo. Can anybody else confirm the echo that Earn the Day has said? No echo? Old beef, no echo? No echo. Cool. Sound is perfect. I know it's because I'm using a great microphone. Actually, this thing's a pile of junk. But... BJ, I think I will do a giveaway. It's not going to be, I think it's just going to be me personally sponsored because I appreciate you guys and I want to give you some money. So we're going to do like 5 USDT, like something small because I'm not an extremely wealthy person. Like I have money, but not like a ton of it where I can like buy a yacht and say, oh, you know, with those like gold plated dollar guns. I'm not that rich. Dude, it probably is the fries or the carbonaras or the Alfredos or the pizza or the ice cream. Dude, Ben & Jerry's peanut butter cup ice cream is like the most legit substance on planet Earth. All right. Let's get into it. If you guys are new to the stream, new to the show, my name's Arty. I love cryptocurrencies. I love showing people how to make money. I love doing technical analysis on cryptocurrencies. I'm not only proficient in cryptocurrencies, I'm proficient in Forex. I'm proficient in stocks. Basically any financial tool, like I pretty much have it on lock. I know a lot of you guys have been asking me about my 3-video training course that I had, always in the links in the description. Unfortunately, that funnel is closed, so I need to make another one. So that link does not work down below. So if you haven't seen those videos, just like DM me on LinkedIn and I'll send those videos to you in the meantime while I build out another website for that. Apologies. You know, websites and what it just fails. Anyway, if you guys are unfamiliar what we're doing now, we're going to be playing a game called Long Short to try to make some serious cash, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Normally, this show consists of, before we started doing daily live streams with Crypto Lunch, I taught you everything every day about everything that happened in cryptocurrencies in the last 24 hours. We did a huge market recap. That took a lot of time, a lot of editing, and because my tasks have grown substantially since then, we now do a live stream every single day called Crypto Lunch. I go over the top things that you need to know in the industry. It's short, it's sweet, and I don't have to edit it. So that's the new format of the show. The views are low, but you guys that keep coming back for a reason, so I appreciate you guys. We'll build up that audience too, over time, and I'll become the next Joe Rogan of crypto. It'll be like a podcast show. It's only 30 minutes, so it's kind of cool. Right now, it is Sunday, and I'm taking a break from all the work, and I'm straight up going to try to make some money on an app called Long Short. If you guys are unfamiliar with the CoinCasso exchange, this is their homepage. Let me shrink my face so that you guys can see it. Bam. Okay, so here we have CoinCasso.com. If you have not signed up already, please do so through the links in the description if you're watching us on YouTube. I believe the links are also on Facebook, but if you can't find the links, then just go to YouTube. It's in the links in the description. Unfortunately, Twitch does not allow me to have any description and or links, so that's that. Register here with this blue button if you have not already, or through the links in the description below. You guys already have an account, so you're going to log in right here. Once you log in, you will be taken to the CoinCasso exchange. Right here on the left-hand side is the exchange, wallets, all the stuff, but we're not focused on that right now. We are focused on the app section. You click the app section, then you click this long short image, and you hit the play button. And you are given a up to the second Bitcoin USDT chart. Now, I have a balance of $1,123.57, which I have brought up by myself from one freaking dollar. This is a very impossible task for a lot of people, but because I live, drink, eat, sleep, and bleed technical analysis, I did substantially well. I took that $1 to $500, and since then I've just kind of been playing casually, and I'm up to 1123. So I do not recommend doing my strategy. It is extremely risky and reckless. What I would do normally is deposit $1,000 and only risk 1 to 3% of my total account balance per trade. Meaning that if you have $1,000 and you risk 1% per trade, you can lose 100 times in a row before you are broke. But if you're losing 100 times in a row, you're doing it wrong. This is going to try to get to about an 80% win rate. So be smart, deposit a nice bankroll, and play off of that. Don't bet your entire bankroll. Dumb. I'm going to probably do it because this is entertainment. Plus, I work this up from $1. So, El-Haas, I appreciate you more than you appreciate me. Trust me 100% when I say that. Yeah, if you guys have any questions whatsoever and you want to like DM me, you want to chat, you want to like one-on-one, LinkedIn is the place to go. My LinkedIn name is Arty Bryja, ARTY-BRYJA. DMs there. Everywhere else, literally like Instagram, my DMs are full, my emails are full, my Facebook is full, and it's just, I can't like deal with the spam on there, but LinkedIn, there's far less. So, yeah, on the long short application, you get 3 hotkeys here. For 1 USDT, 10 USDT, and 200 USDT, you can type in any amount that you want, like $56, and do that. It's just from 100 to 200, you can't actually type in. Like if I do 125, it defaults to 100. So you either get 100 or 200 or any number between 1 and 100. We're going to start at 10 USDT bets. And basically the point of this game is to guess whether the price is going to be higher or lower than it is when you enter in 60 seconds. So it's a 60-second trade, kind of. But I recommend you using TradingView to increase the statistical likelihood of you winning, because the more tools that you use and have at your disposal, the smarter you are. So I'm going to do the standard, most basic technical analysis using large support and resistance zones, as well as moving averages, as well as the RSI. So I will show you what that looks like in just a second once I pull up the frickin' window. Okay, so TradingView, right? You guys have seen me do technical analysis over and over and over again with this. I'm going to delete all of my Fibonacci retracements because I'm constantly banging those away. So this is Bitcoin on a daily chart, daily candlestick. So each candlestick is 1 day. I'm going to dump this down to 5 minutes to give you a better idea. So each one of these candlesticks is 5 minutes, but because we're doing 1 minute, 60-second trades, this is too large of a time frame to be able to distinguish what's going on here. So we're going to take this down to the 1 minute chart because everybody has access for free on TradingView to the 1 minute chart. I like to rock the 1 second chart when I'm doing this solo, but because this is actually a paid whatever to get the 1 second chart, so it's not for everybody. So we're going to do 1 minute. We're looking for fat ass moving average crossovers. Like boom, moving average crossover. Guess what the price did? Moving average crossover. So you see what I'm saying? Like we just had a moving average crossover. It's now spiking up, but you see this fat resistance. This is a resistance. It hit it and it resisted, so it rejected down. So I'm going to have this up in the background while I am doing the long short trades. I'm going to look at the comments. I'm going to really try to focus on the comment section, guys. I'm always enjoying your show. Thank you, Jeffrey. I tried playing, but I get right about 50% of the time. It takes time to get good at this. It takes time. A lot of people, they're like, they feel like now's the opportunity to get in, but they wait just a few more seconds and they're like, okay, now. But they should have gotten in when they had their first instinct. Can you use TradingView chart configuration? Actually I can, not fully because there's different settings in the RSI or in the Fibonacci tool that I use. So if you want that exact setup and everything, just DM me on LinkedIn and I'll send you those videos. I think I lost a fib retrace. I'm not sure if I'm using it right. Arty, can you open up his fib so you can... Yeah, check this out. Fibonacci. Fibonacci. Right? Okay. So this is my Fibonacci tool. Here are my settings. Take a screenshot. I'm going to leave it up for 10 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, bye. I'm kidding. All right, that's enough time for your screenshot. Let me delete it. So I'm using 4 EMA. It's an indicator. Click this FX thing. Indicators are on there. I have the moving averages set to 10, 21, 50, and 100. And I'm using blue, purple, green, and red. You can use whatever colors you want. I'm also using the RSI, which is this purple majigger on the bottom. These are factory settings, so just choose the RSI, and this is what you're going to get. These other two are less important. I use them for more in-depth technical analysis. Like, let me show you what my normal chart kind of sort of looks like. You guys ready? You're going to laugh. You're going to laugh. You're going to laugh. Bazinga. There's alligators, there's zones, there's like confirmations of buy sells. Like this is a little bit heavier for you guys, but I'm going to take that off just so you guys don't get confused. Okay, so we broke through this previous resistance, right? We're getting a fat push on the upside, really high on the RSI, but still lower than here. So maybe a little bit of a divergence. And we're really far away from the moving averages. So I think it's a good idea to go short right now because we're sitting at 2,400 exactly, and it's not liking that price movement. So I think we might go short. What do you guys think? Maybe? Yes? Let me close that. Get more. You guys thinking it's short? I mean, it's a little bit soon. What we should be waiting for is a push down on the price and get a tiny bit of a moving average crossover. But I see that fat rejection, right? Let's wait just a little bit more. It's going to touch it one more time. It's going to reject. What's up, crypto shopping? It's always good to wait. Like, see, it broke past. Now let's see if this was a trap for the traditional day trader. Most breakout traders wait for like, oh, it broke above the level, go long. Yeah, that was a trap. So we're going to go short for 60 seconds. And that's yeah, I'm pretty confident about that one. Cool. So, yeah, see that fat reject, like a breakout trade. Like, you never, ever, ever take the breakout trade. Like, there's so many videos on YouTube of people like, oh, the London breakout strategy or whatever. And it's such garbage because it's, people know, like institutional traders know this. And they're like, cool, let's screw these people over. And they wait for the breakout. Maybe they give them an extra 5 minutes of like, oh yeah, it's pushing. Let's dump our entire bankroll on it. And then it reverses like crazy. Stop. Okay, boom. Look at that. We got a winner on our hands. That was really close, guys. I should have got in sooner. The breakout trade was rejected, just trying to trap those traditional day traders that think they know what they're doing. Man, I was just a couple of seconds off of that. So we bet $10, right? We got 18 USDT back, meaning we got our original bet plus 80%. So imagine if I bet 100, I'd have 80 USDT in the bank. So we're retesting that again. I think it actually might break through on this second go ahead. And we're seeing some nice consistency. We're seeing some nice and another rejection. Look at that. Oh, I love it. Absolutely love it. Yeah, here's the thing with the RSI and cryptocurrencies. It can live above the 75-80 level. Like traditionally with normal markets, if the RSI hits 70, it usually rejects and goes down. If it gets down to 30, it usually rejects and goes up. With crypto, it can easily go to 80 or 90 and live there for a while. So it's a good indicator, but it's not the greatest for crypto. All right, so we are seeing another push down. Let's see if we can get some Fibonacci on this biznatch. Okay. So if you look, let's go off of this run. So top to bottom had a 764 retracement, and it's going to go up probably to 42,121, but it's really not liking this 24,000 level. Like it's a fat resistance. Again, guys, support and resistance. We're actually seeing a little bit of a divergence here. So when the RSI is slanting down, but the price action is going up, that's what we call a divergence. If it doesn't cross this trend line that I just drew and it rejects and it goes down, we should see a fat dip. A pretty fat dip, actually. But we'll see. We'll see what it does. This trend lines are golden, guys. Trend lines on price action, absolutely golden. But trend lines on your RSI, man, I just learned this like a month and a half ago, and it's been lethal for me. Freaking lethal, guys. Like lethal. So see how, look at that. I'm going to zoom this in. It literally rejected off of that imaginary green line that I just drew. It's, I don't know what else to tell you. Like, so I think I should have gone short 5 minutes ago, but let's go short. I think it'll still continue on. Oh, nice spike up and short. So while the trade is going, and you're wrong, it flashes red like this. And if you're right, it flashes green, which hopefully it will do. Hopefully. We will see. We will see. Let's pull this back up. See? It's still riding that trend line. Come on. Just give me a nice rejection to the 10 moving average and I'll be a happy camper. If not, I just lost 10 bucks. And it'll be my first lose live in quite a while. Because I'm that good. Come on. Give me a nice fat rejection. It doesn't love me. It does not love me. Nope. Definitely a loss. Yep. Would you look at that? I can't be right every time, guys. All right, so I'm going to let you guys choose the next one. I'm going to pull up my chart, and you're going to tell me if I'm going to go long or short. All right? Long or short, dudes? Long or short? Now short. Now short. Are you sure? Long. Long. Got two longs. 2-1. Going long, guys. Don't like that move. Don't like, no. Look at that. And see, I'm going to show you what's happening right now. Do you remember how I told you that this was take profit 3? It hit take profit 3 and is now rejecting. Heavily. Well, that's a way hard loss. See? This is why you guys keep losing. I'm kidding. I love you guys. All right. So let's take that loss and learn from it. Cool. So let's take the loss and learn from it. In the meantime, I want to talk about CoinsLoot really quick. It's a project that we've been working on super heavily. And if you guys have not heard of it already, we invented a cryptocurrency that allows users to open up crypto loot boxes. So in games, when you have like loot boxes and they have like skins and stuff, we did the same thing, but inside of those loot boxes is cryptocurrencies as well as physical items. Like you can actually open up a loot box that has a Bitcoin in it or a Tesla or a PlayStation 5 or whatever you can possibly imagine. So if you guys are unfamiliar with it, if you follow the links in the description down below, you will be taken to the CoinsLoot website. It's freaking cool. So we have crypto loot boxes. We've been published a gajillion places on Bitcoin.com, Bitcoinist, everywhere. Here's the different loot boxes: Tesla box, Bitcoin box, mystery box, all of the cool stuff. What can you win? We even have like subscription boxes: HBO Go, Spotify, limited edition Air Jordans. We're currently in stage 2. There's 2 days left. So this current stage pricing for the token is 7 cents. Next stage it goes to 8 cents, and that's like a 15% increase on your money right away. There's some more information about how we're going to allocate the funds that we raised during the ICO and IEO. White paper right here. You can read all about it and download it. But there are 2 ways to buy, either through the ICO or the IEO. The ICO will take you to the CoinCasso page right here. You'll hit CoinsLoot and you can buy tokens right here. Or if you want to do it through the smart contract, it'll default you to buy.coinsloot.com, and you can type in 5 Ethereum and it'll calculate how many loot you'll receive. You click buy after your wallet's connected with it, and it'll instantly transact the 5 Ethereum and deposit 44,643 loot into your wallet. So if you have not already, go check that out and buy, because by the end of the ICO, the price will be 10 cents. So if you buy now at 7 cents and then it's at 10 cents, like, you made money. Dope, right? I will get into why that's dope later, but I want to keep playing. Whoa, look at what this price did. Jeez. Okay, so we are seeing a nice fat bullish momentum. I think. God, I really want to pull this out to the 1 second chart. But because not everybody has access to that, I am going to leave it how it is so that you guys can know. Usually we wait for moving average crossovers, like, it touched and started reversing, so we're going to have bullish momentum. Right now we're kind of stagnant on the price. It's between 24,100 and 24,134. So I think we should just go long again, guys. Let's go long. Boom. Play again. Long. Man, I suck. See, like, when I trade solo and I'm comment section, it's actually my money. But so when I trade solo, I'm waiting for the perfect setup. Like, I don't risk anything. I know what's going to happen when I'm trading solo, but it's not like every 60 seconds that you get to trade. It's like once every 8 minutes. So you have to spend quite a bit of time. But at that point, you're really making good profits because your win rate is way, way higher. Please stay up there. 3 seconds, 2 seconds. Oh, you... Oh, that sucked. That sucked so bad. I was there. I was totally there. Oh, well. $10, whatever. Let's... I don't like this whole window changing. I think I'm just going to slide this thing over the next time. Cool. Fat rejection at take profit 3, where I said, I think you see how the moving average is starting to slant down. Well, we're starting to get that down momentum. Let's see what happens. Oh, yep, it's fighting. It's fighting that. It's bouncing off of that. The market is being a tricky little sucker today. This is worse than roulette. No, it's not. Up. Nice rejection. I think we're going to go short, guys. I think we are going to go short. So went down, came up, and now we're going to go short. Yep. Yep. This is why. Ready? Hold. Oh, man. Dude, I suck today. Maybe I should just let you guys choose. What do you think? Do you guys want to just make my decisions for me? Let me know in the chat. Yeah, long on a dip is great. I'm gonna keep missing. I mean, the dips, like, they're not, like even this dip, like if you see right here, this was a 4-minute dip. So you don't know if it's going to continue or not. Like it should have bounced here off the 618, but it decided to dip off of the 764, which is why cryptocurrencies are like crappier to like really judge, because theoretically it should always retrace on the 0.5 level. But crypto likes the 618, the 382, the 764, like it's all over the place. See, I was too late on that. Like let's see what the trade did. I lost, but look, if I would have done it a few seconds later, I would have won. It's all about the timing, ladies and gents. Timing. Let's go long because that was a dip. So the reason I went long is because we saw a fat rejection here off of the 21 moving average and it came up. I like long wicks like this. They're very good indicators for me that the price is rejecting and going to push higher. And just like that, keep going, please keep going. Come on, bulls. The bulls versus the bears, that's what you're fighting against. Let's watch the chart here. And a nice spike, 13 seconds left. Come on. Daddy needs a new pair of shoes. 5, 4, 3, 2, come on. And a loss. Oh. I do not like them, Sam. I do not like green eggs and ham. Tough cookies. We couldn't do any worse. Yep. That's... Do you think somebody could make realistically some real pocket money with this? Waiting for the perfect setup and, of course, good chart and technical analysis. That is why I'm... Okay, flow D. I'm going to show you really quick. Yo, it is hot in here. All right, so when I'm doing good, solid technical analysis, let me move my face a little bit. I'm going to move my face up here. And I'm going to show you my statistics because these are horrible right now. You guys are seeing really bad trading. But when I'm really, really focusing, and like waiting for the perfect setup, I got to win, lose, win, lose. Like you wait for the perfect setup and you wait for moving average crossovers. You wait for huge support and resistance. You wait for like massive pushing. Like when you see this type of stuff, let me pull up a huge candle. If you wait for this type of stuff, you can ride that wave for more than 60 seconds. Like, when there's a fat moving average crossover, like right here, you're good. If you wait for Let's see if we can see any support and resistance levels. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, look right here. We had fatty support. Like support. It hit it again. Remember what I told you about support and resistance. The more it gets hit, the weaker it becomes. It broke through that, and you're like, you watch a nice fat breakthrough and you're guaranteed like it's going in that direction. At least for 60 seconds. So let's move my face back to where it was. And plus, I use way more indicators when I do this solo. Like, you find the perfect recipe that works for you, and you continue on that. Like, you don't want to change your strategy when it doesn't work once, you know? Like, say you have the perfect strategy and everything is working well and you get 20 winning trades in a row, and then you lose 3 in a row and you're like, nope, my whole strategy's crap, I have to throw it away. Like, no, you are just, it was a wrong entry or it was a retracement on a larger time frame. Your strategy is good and you can't expect to win 100% of the time. Nobody on earth, nobody wins 100% of the time. Not even me. But I have successfully predicted the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum like 12 times already, if you guys have watched my YouTube videos. Just saying. It is really freaking hot in here. I'm going to take off my sweater, I think. Okay, so we are seeing nice rejection between 21 and 50. Again, pushing up. I think what I don't like is right here. We're seeing a nice fat resistance level, and it might break through and then reject down again, killing all of those breakout traders. See? Breaking through. Let's see if it holds its momentum. What you could do is pull up volume, because volume would show you. See? We're getting some nice, good buying volume, so it might continue that. Yep, going along. Quickly. Whew. Got it. Cool. And now we're rejecting. So we are still seeing good buying volume. Let's see if that can keep up. See, a lot of times you'll see like the price will break through, and then you'll watch this volume candle turn red. And people don't realize it because the price is still going up, and then it just like tanks down. So you see that breakthrough, nice buying volume. That's how you know a breakout trade will continue up versus like, see this one? It was good, broke out, and the next candle, all sell volume. So it caught a bunch of the breakouters. And so you have to keep an eye out for that. This was a huge breakout trade. This is why people tout breakout trading so much, because it's great when you get that run. Like right now we're at 24,233, which is the previous high, and now it's going to reject. See, like what I like to do is draw. Ooh. Oh, it's still continuing. See, more volume, more buying volume. So obviously we won our trade. You guys saw that on the chart. We didn't even have to see this. So let's see if we can go long again, because we're still seeing some nice. Actually, let's double check. Oh yeah, that's not going to stop. Long. Let's keep watching it live. Oh, fat rejection. Why? Let's check that price. Let's see. I didn't check long term, so we go out what, 5 minutes, maybe an hour. There, we're hitting all-time highs right now, guys. Yep, all-time highs. Let's get that back to the 1 minute, see what it's doing. Ooh, it is not liking 24,300. That was a loss for us. But you know what? We could not have anticipated that. Cool. 1 second, guys. I need to do stuff. Just temporary. Just 1 second, please. We are working on a airdrop for the CoinsLoot project, meaning we're going to give free tokens out to people to do like very simple social media tasks, like share this, like that. So free tokens ain't bad. You know what I'm saying? Just got to do a quick double check, guys. So just be patient, because you're going to really want this airdrop. Trust me. Really want this airdrop. Really want this airdrop. Cool. It works. I think I'm going to give this airdrop the go-ahead to go live. You guys are watching me work, like, live. Cool. All right. You guys choose, long or short. I haven't been paying attention to the charts, but you guys have been watching it, so what's it been doing? Fat rejection, come down. Whoa, look at that. It went all the way down to the 100 moving average and rejected like crazy, and now is on his way up. Should we go long or short? You guys tell me. Long. Okay. That's all I needed to know. Going long. See, okay, check this out. High to low right here is about the 50 level. Right here is about a 618 retracement. So let's hope it gets here by the time that 60 seconds is over, and then it rejects, because if it hits here and rejects hard, we will be at a loss, and that will be a perfect. Okay, so right now we're at 618. Is it going to reject? Just give me 15 more seconds before you reject, please. See, it's coming down, it's coming down, it's coming down. 9. Woo. Come on. 5. Stay up there. Oh, nice spike up. Got him. Got it. All right, let's look at the chart live and see if we can do that Fibonacci retracement really quick. So, very risky doing fib retracements on a small time frame like this, but it'll still give you a general sense of it. See, this even retraced at the 764. But you can't, like, usually I go body to body, but when it's such a short time frame, it's it's flexible. You can even do wicks, half wicks, whatever. So let's see if it retraces. This is definitely, it is thrilling, you know, but See, when you have a nice bull market like this, like, yeah, you would just want to go long because it's constantly going up, but you could manage to get this 60 seconds where it's opposite. And so you get screwed. That's why I really like to look at the 1 second chart. So let me just pull this up for you guys. Like, look, moving average crossover, but you have to also realize how much 60 seconds worth of time is. So if I go from here to here, that's 60 seconds of time. So you see a moving average crossover, but then it rejects and goes up. This is why, like, dude, do not ever trade on the 1 second time frame. You will always fail. But like, boom, moving average crossover, but we're holding it. Sell off, big sell candle. Now I think we can go short. It's rejecting a little bit. Like see, boom. 50, 60, 618. Ooh, one retracement. Fat rejection down. Is it going to continue? Like, this is high risk, high stakes. What's it going to do? And boom, it went down. And now it's really rejecting off of that, but it's hitting this fib level. So rejecting up. Like, you have to know where it's going to be in 60 seconds. This is super. Do not do this unless you are massively proficient at technical analysis on a large time frame. Like, say you do technical analysis on a daily and then you move down to a 4 hour, then a 1 hour, then a 30 minute, then a 15 minute, then a 5 minute. Like, you have to work your way down to know what the hell's going on here. I think we're gonna do something. And I think it's going to be short. Oh, yep. Look at that. Moving average crossover. Let me show you guys. It really got tight. Broke through moving average crossover, retested the 10, came down, retested the 10, came down, and just like, but now it's curving up. Let's see if it rejects on the 200. Or is that the 100? Yeah, 100 moving average. So it came all the way up and rejected on the 100 and continued down. But we're getting like these long wicks. Whoa! These long wicks mean a massive resistance. Like, these are bears pushing it down, right? And the wick means that the bull is like pushed right here. So let's see how our trade is doing. And we won. Just like that. That was that fat spike. That one kind of stressed me out. Cool. $8 in the pocket. Let's, anyone want to play this over Discord? Yeah, that's what we should do. Bring this onto a Discord. Maybe I should make my own Discord. What do you guys think about that? Huh? All right. Let's see. Right now, price is consolidating, doesn't know what it's going to do. We're looking for massive volume candles. See these low volume candles? That is stagnation in the market. People are like, I don't know what's going on, who's going to buy, who's going to sell. And now we're seeing some green, some push, and red. Are we going to get a fat moving average crossover? No. We are rejecting still on the downside. As you can see here, if you look at a trend, we're on a downtrend. Let's leave that line here. If it rejects on this trend line, we can go in a short position. Let's see what happens. Nope, broke through. Is this a breakout trader trap? No, it went up, broke through, is retesting the trend line now, and should... Oh, fat trap. Will it hold up? See, what we can do now is watch this. If it breaks through this, we might have some nice shortage. Let's go short. I think it's going to keep going down. Just my 2 cents. Nope, I was wrong. Come on. Come on. Dump, 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 dump. Nope. It's going the opposite way. That's what I get. That's what I get for trying to be a know-it-all. So, okay. I want to talk more about CoinsLoot because we need more of you guys to be sharing, to be liking, to be getting on the Telegram groups, to be doing all of that. We're like building an army of people, social media marketing. It takes socials to market the media. So this was a loss. Let's go to the, okay. I want to explain the CoinsLoot project. A lot of people are super stoked about being able to open up loot boxes, right? But the loot boxes is just the user part of it. The really important part of it is for you guys right now. If you buy loot tokens, you're able to take those loot tokens and stake them on the smart contract. What does that mean? So when you take and purchase through the ICO or the IEO, you're going to have loot tokens. You can stake those on the smart contract. So through the smart contract, that's where the user interface is, right? So users open up loot boxes and the smart contract feeds them their reward. So it's paying into the smart contract and feeding out a reward. Every single transaction that happens on this end creates money and profit. 100% of the net profits that the system generates goes back to the people that staked their tokens. So if you buy $70,000 worth of loot tokens right now, you will get 1% of every single penny of profit that comes out of this machine automatically through a smart contract, completely decentralized. That is mind-blowing. It's basically like owning 1% of a casino. The cool thing about our game is that there's a no-loss guarantee. The only way, like a user opens up a loot box, and yes, there's a transaction fee, but there's percentage chance wins. So like say you open up a $100 loot box, you could get $110 worth of crypto or $150 worth of crypto or an entire Bitcoin. And it fluctuates, but there's a no loss guarantee. So they'll never leave with less than they invested minus the transaction fee. And if you think about, there's 2 ways right now to buy cryptocurrencies. There's the quick swap mechanism that you see on all the exchanges with high transaction fees. And then there's the market limit orders that you do on like in-depth exchange, like getting the order books and all of that, which takes actually quite a bit of knowledge for somebody that's new in cryptocurrencies. That's why they go to the swap mechanism. So we've found a balance of fees in between the two. So it's not overly charging you on swap, but it's not as low as a market or a limit order. And so right in the middle, we've created this ecosystem where you get less fees than this while also having an entertaining and fun experience. So it brings the gaming aspect into loot tokens. And that's where the moneymaker is. This is a huge revenue and profit-making machine, and it's going to be decentralized. And we're going to release the product probably this month or the beginning of next month, depending on the timeline of IT. But when that happens, I'm going to be opening up like 200 loot boxes live on this channel. So that's going to be super, super fun. One more time, if you guys haven't seen it already, CoinsLoot website, you can buy via the IEO or the ICO. The IEO is on CoinCast, so you just hit this blue buy tokens button. You type in 30,000 loot tokens, because if you do that, if you buy more than $2,000, you get a 10% bonus. So you're already up 10% on your investment. And then on the 24th, the price goes up because the next stage starts and you're up another 15%. Just hit the agree button and buy tokens. Or if you want to do it through the smart contract, you can type in any amount of Ethereum right here, connect your wallet, and then hit the purple buy loot button. And it automatically transfers the Ethereum and deposits, what is this, 44,643 loot into your wallet. Completely safe, completely decentralized, all through the smart contract. And like they say, not your wallet, not your crypto. That's what they say, right? Anyway, continuing on. Let's play a few more rounds of long short, and then we'll get into. Let me touch on the comments. Boom. Anyone want to play the blah blah blah? Definitely, you should try a larger amount. We should have a Discord. There would be much better and easier. Yeah, I want to contact with. Sven Christensen. If you want to get in contact with me, on my latest YouTube video, there's actually a link to my Google Calendar, and you can set up a 30-minute appointment with me. So if you guys want to, if you're skeptical or whatever, or you need more assurance and you want a one-on-one call with me, if you want to invest $500 or more, like $1,000, $5,000, $10,000, and you want that assurance, just go to my Google Calendar, make an appointment, and I will sit down with you for 30 minutes or an hour, whatever amount of time it takes for you to feel comfortable in your investment. Because I'm not out here to screw you guys. I'm here to build your wealth and make you more profitable in the future. So if you're looking to like drop some money on this, let me know. Sign up to my Google Calendar. I update that every week with new times. This week is limited time slots because Christmas is coming up. So I think only Monday and Tuesday I only have like 8 more time slots left. So, when is the soonest we'll be able to open up a loot box? Soonest before New Year's. Latest, second week of January. Just like with anything, there are bugs. We have to beta test. We have to, fix stuff. So earliest before New Year's. Cool. So let's go back to the 1 minute chart because I feel like we were having way better success with that. Look at that fat rejection. Jeez. All right. Moving averages are starting to cross over here on the downside. They're touching. I'm going to wait another, what is this? This candle closes in 36 seconds. Let's see what happens to the moving averages after that happens. I think we might be able to get in on a short position. I'm going to put this on my other screen and get ready for the short just in case. Looking for a nice moving average crossover of the 10 and the 21. So, will it happen? Will it happen? I think we got it. I think. It's a risky trade because like this dip right here. No, it was this dip right here. That was a fat rejection as well on the upside. So this could have just been a waste of money for me. I should have watched that. But, we are having a pretty decent moving average crossover right there. So hopefully in the next 60 seconds, that'll dump down a little bit. Maybe we can get down to here. Even if you're right, like it's at $24,003 and it goes to $24,003.06, you still won. All it has to do is move higher or lower 1 penny and you win or lose. How can I deposit funds into my account from the US? It keeps rejecting my request. Jeffrey, if you're having problems depositing, contact support01@coincasso.com and they will walk you through the entire process. Sometimes your bank will stop international payments. Like Wells Fargo is horrible with anything outside of the US. They will stop and reject every single out of the US transaction. So maybe your bank is doing that. So maybe you might need to contact them and be like, hey, I'm trying to move money, and they'll release any, blocks that are on it. But if you need help step by step, just contact support01@coincasso and they'll be able to help you out. So I think we can actually go in on a long position right now. Wow, I'm just having an off day today, guys. Like, you've seen me play this before. You've seen, like, yeah, the market just doesn't like me. Maybe it's because we're hitting all-time highs and the price action just has no, it just is doing wild things right now. Like, if you trade Forex or you look at the stock market, it's always within a price range that it's been before. And that, like, that's what makes technical analysis work. When you're getting out of ranges, then you're speculating. It's just speculation at that point. What I actually, check this out. If you take this to the 1 second chart and only look at the RSI, I tried this strategy for a second. And so I'd like watch the RSI and then it dumped down here. And right there, I would go in for a long. And then it starts to come up, and I'm not even looking at the price action, but I know it's going up because the RSI is climbing. And see, now it's dropping even more. So, you know. Oh, I just barely won that one. Holy macaroni. That was nice. I'll take that. By the way, what is your opinion on crypto trade bots when it comes down to analyzing the charts like you are doing manually with a lot of expertise? Okay, I'm going to pull this up then for you guys because that's a really, really good question. And I want to give you a good answer. So bots are, in my opinion, bad. Very, very bad because they don't take into consideration a lot of things. They only work off of numbers. So they are correct a lot, but when they are wrong heavy. And most bots do not have stop loss built in. You have to manually set that, which will actually negate you out of a lot of the bot's built-in strategy. So what I'd like to show you guys is, I'm not going to recommend any indicators for you, but there are indicators that you can use. That indicators can be programmed in a way where they take 16 indicators and put them into one, and that's what spits out these green and red stars. Now, as you can see, this green star was false, but if you looked at the overall trend, you saw this coming. It rejected on a moving average, right? And started to continue down, and then we got that continuing red star. So, you know, you got your short position here. You waited until this indicator printed out this red line, and you know, overall, if you waited for the next green star or for it to even break through this zone, then, you know, you were pretty profitable. Say you were doing Forex or whatever, you know, but right there, 2%. So that's pretty profitable. And that's on a 5-minute chart. I use this for more long-term strategies when it comes to cryptocurrencies because I don't like day trading. I don't like getting in and out of a position in one day. It's very uncomfortable for me with crypto because of the volatility. But when I do it on Forex, it's like way more consistent on a smaller time frame. But if you look at this, like printed green green star, you know, we're going good. But you wait for all of the indicators to line up, like green, 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 good to go. Even though you're high on the RSI, this is usually where we get the highest movements, is when we're above the 75 level on the RSI. That's when we have really parabolic spikes. I'm going to teach you guys this eventually, but right now I feel like it's too in-depth for 99% of you guys. Like, yeah. So I'm not going to really get into it, but wow, we're already over an hour. Jeez. Thank you guys for listening to me yap for an hour. Let's do one last trade. And I'm going to pick two people right now that in the comment section. What's your favorite thing about me and the show? Just write it in the comment section. I'm going to pick two people and I'm going to give them 5 USDT each. Cool? Sounds good? And I'm going to do 100 USDT bet. Favorite thing about the show and favorite thing about me. I want to know what you guys like about the show so I can do more of that. All right. Massive consolidation right here. Let's see if we can find a breakout and take advantage of that for a 100 USDT trade. We are looking at... I really want this RSI to get here because then that will be a perfect fib retracement. Nope, breaking through. Let's see what it does. I think we could go short. Let me see. Come on, tell me. Oh no, we're having a huge breakout. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Please keep going up. Nope. Oh no. I just blew $100. What's it going to do? Is it going to reject? Is it going to reject on the 100? Nope. Total loss. And that's how you lose, guys. Good job, Arty. All right, let's get into these comments. Hey, maybe it'll spike. I don't know. All right, looking at the comments. Let's see. Technical analysis, my big heart. Getting money. Who doesn't worry about lunch, even though show. Straightforward and honest, you're easygoing. Nice. Good education. Yeah, Eugene, just, I know. You gained 10K last week? Dude, good for you across Canada. Nice. Okay, two random people. I am going to cover my eyes and move my mouse. Hold it here. Who did I land on? Flo D in his comment that you consider the live questions in front of your audience and take time to answer them in detail. Thank you, Flo D. You won 5 USDT. Let me know. Let me know your CoinCasso ID number in the comments. And let's do it again. Jeffrey, that was close. You also win 5 USDT. I'm put in my notes. Just write in your CoinCasso ID and yeah, it was a fat rejection. It was total mistake on my part. I'm not in the game today, guys. Like, it is what it is. Flo $5. And Jeffrey, $5. Flo. What's your guys' CoinCasso IDs? I need to know so I can transfer your money. Okay. Okay. I kind of want to do one more, guys. Is that a bad idea? Make sure you guys join the Telegram group for the CoinsLoot, because today we're doing the airdrop. It's going to be today, so look out for the link. Michael Cook, look out for the link. Join the Telegram group. It's going to be there today. Probably when I get home in like 20 minutes. Dude, huge rejection on that. Huge. It's huge. Yeah, I'm going to stop trading. I'm not having a good day. I don't want to lose any more money. If you guys want to sign up, go, links in the description. Go try your hand. Maybe you'll do better than me. Remember, always wait for like multiple indicators to line up. Do not over risk, and make sure you have a nice bankroll. So deposit a nice chunk of change and then do small amounts. Don't deposit $100 and then do a $100 trade. Put in 1,000 and do $10 trades, okay? Be smart, guys. Jeffrey and Flo, still waiting on your comment. Still don't see it on there. So DM me on LinkedIn. I love you guys. Thank you for joining me today. And yeah, dude, make sure you invest in the CoinsLoot project. Both the links are in the description of this video on YouTube. Again, thank you for taking the time. I know it's Sunday. You're probably spending time with family, whatever. I appreciate you guys' time. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow for crypto lunch at 12:30 Central European time. And also, I'm doing a live Zoom call on Tuesday at 10 p.m. There's 100 available spots on this Zoom call. So if you guys want to ask me questions not one-on-one, 100-on-1, like we're just going to talk about technical analysis. We're going to do technical analysis on the coins that you're looking at, what you want to buy, what you want to sell. You know, we're just going to have a nice hangout. I think it's time for us to like really chat with each other, not just like this chat thing. So that's why we're doing the Zoom call. The links for that are on the CoinCasso Facebook page, as well as the previous video that I did on the CoinCasso YouTube channel. So check the links, sign up, click the website, emails, whatever you guys need to do. Just get in on that Zoom call on Tuesday, 10 o'clock Central European time. Okay? Jeffrey, sweet. 15226. Flo, just DM me, all right? Cool. Later, dudes. I appreciate you.